Hello, my name is Shoshana and I am the illustrator behind Shoshy Cadoodle. I specialise in doing illustrated wedding invitations, and today I wanted to show you how you can use sealing wax to give your wedding invitations that extra final finishing touch and make them look really special. It's something that doesn't take too much expertise at all, something easy that you can try at home, but I'm just going to take you through the steps today to get you feeling comfortable with it. And so you'll need a stamp, a wax seal stamp. This one has a gorgeous leaf design. It kind of looks like rosemary leaves, really pretty. And then I'm going to be using a spoon, a melting spoon. And I'm also going to use a rest for my spoon, and inside this little thing is a little tea light candle. You put the spoon on and then the candle just goes inside here. And oops, you'll also need a lighter or a match and some little sealing wax beads. I've got these little white ones. So what you do is you take a few of your sealing wax beads and you put them on your spoon, and then you just wait for them to melt, and you'll see that once it's all liquid, then it's ready to pour onto your envelope. And it's best to seal your envelope beforehand, because although this seal will stick your envelope down, it's just nice to have the security know that it's extra stuck for when it goes in the post. Then you just pour your wax onto the envelope of the flap, and then just wait 1 or 2 seconds before you use your sealing wax stamp to stamp into the wax. And then just let it sit there for another 2 seconds or so, and then remove it. And there is your beautiful sealed wax envelope. And that's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful.